on the oven. I'm gonna be eating a Caesar salad for dinner with a Coca-Cola, you know, balance. Now let's prep my Caesar salad. Dinner was delicious. Let me just... I ate 2 of the chicken. Those are not chicken. The cheese, whatever they're called. But mozzarella sticks. There we go. And then the salad is fucking gone. I've never been a huge salad person, but lately I've been obsessed and I've been craving it. And I'm allowing myself to do so because craving a salad, that's a good thing. For me, that never happens. Morning everyone. Today it is Sunday and I've been feeling so out of like place and out of everything because of the 4th of July week. Like Wednesday was very slow at work, we got Thursday off, Friday we kind of had it off on my team. It's been the worst weather ever over here in Boston. Like I don't know when Boston decided to become Seattle. Like I don't know when that happened, but it's fucking trash. Like I'm so done of this cloud. Like what? Like I lived in Rhode Island before living here, and Rhode Island is always like 95% of the time is always sunny. In here, like the sun nowhere to be found. Anyways, today I am gonna hop on the shower. I am prepping to cook lunch. It is 11, about to be 12 o'clock. I've been awake for hours. I woke up at like 6 in the morning. Like that's when I wake up naturally. And I also did a very like 50-minute workout. It wasn't really a workout, it was more of like a stretch, and I fucking needed that so bad. I'm like, this is so embarrassing. It was a yoga stretch class that I took on my TV. I have a Samsung and they have like an app with a bunch of different workouts, and I just started with that one and embarrassing. It's just embarrassing. Like so many things that I used to be able to do so easily, I just can't do anymore. So we need to just get back into, you know, just get back into the swing of things. But it felt really good, and I'm gonna be cooking lunch. As I said, I'm gonna do steak with chimichurri and then french fries. So that's my plan for lunch. Okay, I'm back with the 2 things that I ordered. As I said, I got 1 garlic red wine vinegar. Last time I did it with white wine vinegar, and like the mixture is already here, as you can see. You're supposed to use fresh oregano and fresh parsley, but I'm trying to save money over here and I have a dry oregano and dry parsley already. So crunch them. They're supposed to be like, I saw a video on how to like get this out, and don't fucking ask me what the fuck it was because I don't remember. Yay! Better be defrost. Oh my god, this is not defrost. Still frozen! This is a fucking joke. I'm so annoyed. It's been in there the whole morning. So maybe this is gonna be my dinner and not my lunch. You're not supposed to defrost your meat at room temperature because it creates bacteria and it might not sit very well in your stomach. And then the other options, you can put it in the microwave, which I don't really love that option. Oh my god, the sun is fucking out. Look at that. Maybe I should go in the fucking pool. Oh my god, the UV is also like amazing. I've been trying not to unbox as many packages as I usually do. I am on my no buy and I've done so good. I am so proud of myself. And the only thing that I purchased was this bikini because it was on sale and it was so cute and I couldn't pass it up. Anyways, this bikini is by For Loving Women. It is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen and it was on sale. I did have to buy it separate. The top I bought it from For Love Lemon website because they were having the sale over there, and then they were sold out of the bottoms. So I had to buy the bottoms from Free People because I was able to find them there. And these are so fucking cute. This is stretchy. Yeah, I'll definitely fit into this, I think. They're very thick. This is a bathing suit. But take a look at this. Let me just fix the exposure a little bit. It's kind of dark. Look how fucking cute this is. Oh my goodness. This is going to Florida. So someone in Florida bought my jeans. And these jeans are actually like brand new in like perfect condition because I didn't love how they look on me. Okay, this is all set. That's a lot, but ta-da, it looks so much better and more like put together instead of wrinkly. Now I have to zip it to the bottom, which is the hard part. Ooh. Hi everyone. I saw on TikTok that you can heat up marshmallows on the stove because I love warm marshmallows. But one of the things that I'm like, immediately no, is like the smoke of the fire when you're using a fire pit. Like immediately no. You know what I mean? Like immediately no. Put the stove on high. We're gonna get our little marshmallow. Can you see? Okay, kind of. It might take a long time, but whatever. And my battery's running up. Burning my hand. Oh, it's warming up. I don't have patience for this. It is not like golden. I saw a video of the thing getting golden, but it is definitely warm. Okay, we're trying this. Oh, it's crispy. Wow, this is so good. No smokiness, no fire. I know people like that, but you can see how it's melted. I don't like it. I love this. Now on the healthy side, let's just eat some berries because I love fruit so much, but fruits are so expensive. Hi everyone, I look like shit. I literally just came back from walking the dog and it is fucking hot outside, but I got some Hollister package. I only have 2 things and believe it or not, they're fall related. Why does this look green? It's supposed to be gray. But I got this. Oh, nice and big. Perfect. V-neck gray sweater that is supposed to be gray, but it's giving green. Like, am I making this up? It's definitely green. I think they gave me the wrong color. I love that. I have this outfit in my head that I saw on Pinterest. And usually I don't like V-neck sweaters, but lately I've been very into them with like a white t-shirt underneath. Is a vibe. And then the other thing that I got was this Chicago hoodie. I saw this when they first launched it and I made the mistake of not getting it. It's sold out. They finally brought it back and I had to get it. Hollister has one of the best hoodies. Hi everyone. Today I got this package from Amazon because my bathroom in this apartment, like the floors are so ugly. Like there were 2 different versions that I could have gotten for my bathroom, and of course I got the ugly one, which is fine. But we're gonna do some renter friendly updates. Of course this apartment is like beautiful, like the kitchen is beautiful, like I like everything else. But the bathroom, I don't know the fuck they were thinking. Anyways, I got this like soap dispenser because as you can see everything on my kitchen is black and then everything on the bathroom is silver. Makes no sense. literally everything on this apartment, like the hardware, is just black. So I just wanted to put this into this so it looks more seamless. Nice, nice, nice. So cute. And then I can put it here. It just looks better, you know? It just looks better. And then the other thing that I got is some sticky tiles. I don't know if this is gonna be enough for the bathroom. My bathroom is currently a mess. So like I have to clean it, vacuum it, mop it, just to make sure that everything's super clean. But apparently these are really good quality. They're waterproof, which is why I bought them for the bathroom. And they're supposed to be checker print. I'm seeing them all black, so that's a little bit concerning. Oh, okay, I see. Checker print. I think I might do it like this way, you know what I mean? So let's actually test it out and see if I have enough. I think, I don't know. My bathroom is pretty small. Let's see. Let's see how this is gonna look. Again, everything, like my bathroom is just not clean at all. I'm not sure if I love it, but I'm gonna need like 3 more packs to cover that. No, I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that because it's gonna be so expensive. Let me look it up. Because $142. So like, I don't want to pay that much money for the bathroom alone. That's crazy. Also, I'm not loving the black and white. In my other apartment had like the bistro print, which I love, but like I want to try something new. Gotta do my research on TikTok again. Hold please.